everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the delay in posting this video. Didn't realise it had been so long since the last one. Today I'll be showing you an easy way of applying hair to your cloth doll. This method is just using basic yarn. You can get different types. The one I'm going to use today is this sort of crinkly yarn. So firstly you need to cut your yarn into lengths. You can do this by wrapping it around a book. I tend to measure from the back of the head just roughly how long I want the hair to be. The next thing you need is a pencil, just to make a faint line where the lowest part of the hair will be. So I usually start from about there, then I mark just along from the eye on the seam line. Same on the other side. Faintly draw to join the marks. You'll be hiding this with the wool at some point. I'll leave that top part till the end. So then the next thing is, I usually start from the base. Alright, so a few stitches at the beginning. Okay, so take a piece of yarn, fold it in half, and then what I do then is put the needle through the middle of the yarn, bring it up to the head, and then 1 or 2 stitches, put it in place. Okay, then move along. Difficult to say about that much, about that far perhaps. Ready for the next piece. Okay, anchor it in place. So I'm going to continue around on that line. When I get to the seam, I'm going to work up around the seam and back down. Okay, so once you've gone round the pencil line, you then have to fill in the back. So you can either keep going round until it's all filled in, or come up the centre, fill in one side, and then fill in the other side, which is the way I'll do it. Right, okay, so most of the hair is on now. The last bit is the bit at the front. So you can either give her a middle parting or do it to the side. I think she's having a middle parting. Okay, I'll just show you the last few strands. So for a middle parting, you make sure the hair is either side. And fix it with a couple of stitches. come down as far as you want your hair fringe to be. I think that might be okay. And then maybe a couple either side, just to fill in the little gaps there. So this is the finished hair. It's quite thick, as you can see. You can always trim it as well if you want to. Okay, so there you have the finished doll with hair. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for all doll making videos. And if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see next, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. You can also check out my Facebook page in the description. Bye for now.